Hi, this is Craig and Celeste of Sulcata Grove, and today we are taste testing this Saci mango. Don't know anything about it, but it smells very good and fruity.
Yeah, this was the one of the ladies working at Mango Minna Homestead, a family member, I assume, said that this was her favorite. So it's the only one that we bought 2 of while we were down there.
It's very aromatic and in a different, it's not like a standard mango smell. It's got kind of its own kind of a floral, fruity kind of smell.
There's a little bit of red blush on the fruit, which is nice. Small fruit, like the size of lemon meringue, maybe. I think it tastes kind of pineapple-y.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I think it tastes a little overripe, maybe.
Maybe. They said to let this one get really ripe, I think.
Yeah. So it's very sweet, very melting. What's that flavor?
Don't it taste like pineapple?
Pineapple?
Maybe not.
I'm not really getting pineapple, but
Like if you got a piece of pineapple candy.
that's what I was gonna say. To me, it tastes more like almost like an artificial candy kind of flavor.
We have another one. We should try it too. Maybe it tastes a little bit different.
We'll see. This reminds me of another mango.
Cut the other one open.
I'm trying to remember what this. I want to say Nam Doc Mai, but I don't think it's Nam Doc Mai.
Maybe we didn't let it get ripe enough.
Far less ripe, this one.
I think you do need to let these get super, super soft.
Oh, you think this is
underripe?
See, for underripe, it's still good. It doesn't have that strong underripe lemon flavor to it.
They're kind of good together.
Let's try to blend here.
No.
Like
Try around the seed of that one, because this one's tart.
Well, it's not that tart to me.
Oh, really?
I mean, it's tarter than this one, but it's not like underripe mango tart.
It's okay.
It's okay. It reminds me of another mango, and I just can't.
St. Maui, maybe? We ate that one like last week.
Yeah, but I don't. No, we didn't.
Fruit and Spice Park.
When? In the field? I don't remember.
Because they had it spelled out St. Maui, and you commented
I saw
on
the tree, but I didn't taste the mango.
I'm pretty sure we ate one. We had an Ping, and then they're right near each other.
But I'm sure I don't remember enough what it tastes like to make it compare. It tastes like
To me, it's pineapple.
Fruit punch, maybe. No fruit punch. No, I can't put my finger on it, but there's another mango that has a similar flavor to this one.
My tongue feels kind of weird after eating it.
You might have got too much close to the skin.
It feels like if you eat an underripe banana. So maybe it's
On that
underripe.
astringency.
Mm-hmm.
I had one from that the other day. This one's not
My
yet.
teeth feel chalky. But anyway.
Yeah, I mean, it's good. It's got a very fruity fruit. Maybe like the drink the juice after you've had a fruit cup.
With a lot of
The
pineapple
juice
in it.
and yeah.
It's a cute mango.
More like the pears in the juice, maybe
Yeah.
texture-wise, I guess. I don't know.
I would let it get more ripe if I got another one.
So to me, though, it's in that category. It's in the fruit cup. There's a lot of mangoes to me that fall. That's where I grew up in the '70s. Then everything tastes like Wonder Bread or fruit cups. So it's good. It's juicy. Very little fiber. But it doesn't have any pizzazz to it. It's just a good juicy mango.
Which I don't want to rate it because they had hyped it up so much, and I think that and she said let it get really soft. I think maybe it would have had a different flavor if we had waited another day.
Yeah,
maybe.
I didn't want to wait. To me, it almost the first one tasted like if it was much farther, I think it might have been too much. So I don't know.
But if you tried one,
it's good, but it's not spicy. It's not resinous. It's not piney. It's fruity. It's very fruity.
It is fruity.
And there's good stuff to be said about a fruity mango. I like got to have lots of different variety. So we're not rating this one. So.
I don't want to because I don't know that it's fair.
To me, it's good. I don't know.
It was a really pretty mango.
I don't know that the ripeness would be. It might be one of those that's forgiving about ripeness because to me, even the underripe one was still good.
Yeah, and we bought these a week ago.
Yeah. So anyway, it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe could be better. So. We'll try it again, maybe sometime.
I'd get another one next time just to see.
Anyway, let us know what you think if you've tried this one before, and that's all I got. So we'll see you next time.
And the mango down to me, put the mango in a sack, put the sack up on my back.